So that was hands down the best waffle that I've had in my life. Hi guys, welcome back to another video and we are in
Brussels.
Belgium. So हम आज आए हैं पेरिस से ब्रसल्स हमारी सुबह की बस थी एंड
7 बजे बस ली हमने, 11 बजे यहाँ पहुँचे. Checked into our hotel. Not actually check in, सामान रखा है. Now we are out and about exploring
so we have
Brussels.
one day in Brussels, so we'll
24 hours.
24 hours, so we'll show you all the things you can do in 24 hours.
We'll basically show you everything we will be doing here, and you can see if that's what you like
Yeah, and
doing in
Brussels is
Brussels.
also famous for a lot of
Food options.
so
Yeah.
we'll show you that. But yeah, we'll grab a breakfast quickly and then get around. We also have a church behind us,
San Michel,
Church.
yeah.
Yeah. So this is free of cost to explore, so we'll explore that. And yeah, so welcome if you're new here. Welcome to the channel, and please consider subscribing and sharing our videos. So yeah, let's explore Brussels. So we are starting our day with a good breakfast. अभी हम पहुँचे हैं ब्रसल्स थोड़ी देर पहले and हमें दिखा Paul, so we decided to do our breakfast first and then go to the city center because हमारा check-in भी अभी थोड़ा late है, around 3 o'clock. So yeah, we ordered a croissant, coffees and a cheese and tomato sandwich.
Paul देख के गुड़गांव की याद आई.
दिल्ली की याद आई बड़ी तेज़ क्योंकि वहाँ ऑलमोस्ट पॉल हम रेगुलरली जाते थे, हमारा फेवरेट था. एंड पेरिस में हम जा नहीं पाए ना क्योंकि हाँ
भरा रहता था पूरा टाइम.
पेरिस हम जा नहीं पाए ज़्यादा पॉल में, ट्राई नहीं किया, बट यहाँ का ट्राई करते हैं. ऑलमोस्ट क्वालिटी तो सेम ही होगी बट या इट्स वन ऑफ आवर फेवरेट प्लेसेस इन फ्रॉम इंडिया. सो या we'll have a breakfast, go to the city center and then show you what all there is to do in Brussels and mostly the food to eat because Brussels is famous for, Belgium is famous for a lot of things, fries, waffles, chocolates. So we'll show you all that in this vlog. So हम यहाँ पे एक ही दिन है, so we'll try to show you as much as possible. ब्रसल सिटी सेंटर में सूटों की दुकान. I think this waffle is from Brussels, which is rectangular, and then this one is from Liège, which is round in shape. So this is one of the most famous chocolate places here in Brussels. It's called Neuhaus, and this is in this gallery near the Grand Palace. So we'll probably try some chocolate here, and there are few other places that are famous as well. But अभी हमें ये दिखी तो I think we'll go inside and taste some chocolate. So to start our Brussels food tour, we've come to this famous waffle place, and
It's called Maison Dendoy.
yeah, Maison Dandoy. Yeah, it's near Grand Palace in an arcade. And online हमने देखा this is one of the most recommended places for waffles. So yeah.
So हमने just order करा है fruity something waffle. I don't know how to pronounce the name, so I'm skipping that. But उसमें strawberries है and chocolate है and cream है. So everything that I like. And then the waffle itself. So there are two options always when you come to one of these waffle stores here. You could either take the Brussels waffle or the Liège waffle. There is a difference between the two. There's a difference in the shape, I guess. I don't know ingredients में कोई फर्क होता है कि नहीं. But हमने Brussels वाला order करा.
So our waffle is here and it looks amazing. So we ordered the one with the strawberries and hazelnut and whipped cream.
It's cooked strawberries basically. So maybe canning lines or something.
Yeah, I think That's
which I've
true.
never had. Like in waffles, generally you see raw strawberries. I've never had cooked strawberries on a waffle. This is the first. Strawberries are really sweet, and the
Very-
waffle is cooked to perfection. दिल्ली में waffles नहीं मिलते जैसे वैसे नहीं है बिल्कुल भी अलग है और अच्छे हैं. It's a must try here. It's famous for a reason.
So that was hands down the best waffle that I've had in my life. It was something else, not like the waffles you get in India or the other places. It was very soft and fluffy. घुल रहा था मुंह में waffle भी.
And just to let you know, हम बहुत मीठा नहीं खाते, हमें नहीं पसंद
And
इतना
it
मीठा
wasn't very
खाना.
sweet. It
तो
was
मतलब एकदम सही था, एकदम balanced. Strawberry से sweetness आ रही थी. Waffle was, you know how waffle is. It's not sweet. So
Yeah,
waffle
so
was
you
there,
can-
strawberries and then hazelnuts.
you can choose your own toppings, and the
Yeah.
waffle was around 11.5 euros, a little expensive. Yeah, but worth the price, I think.
For us, yes.
Yeah, definitely come to Mason Dandoy if you are in Belgium and do try their waffles. यहाँ पे किसी यूनिवर्सिटी की कॉन्वोकेशन हो रही है, तो उसकी भीड़ लगी हुई है. बट व्हाट अ कूल प्लेस टू हैव योर कॉन्वोकेशन. तो अभी हम लोग हैं ग्रैंड पैलेस स्क्वायर पे, विच इज़ अ sort of a city square here in Brussels, and यहीं पे सारे restaurants and famous places हैं. And the most beautiful thing about this place is these buildings. जिनका architecture is very beautiful. देखो कैसे लग रहा है?
सुंदर है काफ़ी, मतलब अलग है सारों के स्क्वायर्स के कंपैरिजन में. मतलब सारी कंट्रीज के अपने अपने स्क्वायर्स होते हैं. इनका जो स्क्वायर है यहाँ पे सारी बिल्डिंग्स पे गोल्डन वर्क हुआ हुआ है, विच इज़ लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी. द कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिटवीन the old bricks and then the golden work in between, it's looking very nice. I don't know if it's old or they have recently done it, but it looks really nice.
Yeah, I don't think it's real gold, but इन्होंने paint करा हुआ golden सब कुछ.
हाँ
And
वो
it
तो है ही, but मतलब
Right.
अच्छा तो लग रहा है ना.
looks beautiful. You can see these buildings. So if you watched this cartoon बचपन में Tintin, मैं तो बहुत देखता था ये टीवी पे. And this cartoon is actually from here, Brussels. So you will see a lot of Tintin references in the city. And also यहाँ पे म्यूजियम एंड एक शॉप भी है जहाँ पे इसका मर्च मिलता है. So we'll try and visit that as well. Now we have to try the famous Belgian fries from this place called Friterie. So I think these are similar to जो हमने एम्स्टर्डम में फ्राइज खाए थे, but we'll find out की difference क्या है. Because Belgium is again famous for Belgian fries as well, along with waffles, beer and chocolate. So yeah, try करते हैं fries and देते हैं अपना review आप लोगों को.
इनकी फ्राइज थोड़े डिफरेंट लग रहे हैं ऑनेस्टली.
हाँ, बट वही यूके में जो चिप्स मिलते हैं सिमिलर होते हैं वैसे ही. तो हमने लिया है fries with samurai sauce, which is ketchup, harissa and mayo. So yeah. कैसा है?
Sauce is spicy. I think we want more ketchup. Fries same है. Same है
जो Amsterdam में है.
हाँ. It's cheaper than Amsterdam, by the way. It's 6 euros for this. हमने कितने दिए थे? 8 यूरो दिए थे इसी के.
So we are trying fries from another place, and this one is called Georgette Cafe. So one of our friends recommended it, and the fries actually are better.
They're more in quantity for sure.
Yeah, the quantity is more, but the taste and texture is the same. But we got a garlic dip this time, which is good. And
Taste भी
this-
better है यार. It's still not so good.
And the fries are also better. So you can try the Georgette Cafe for good fries. So for dinner we have come to this food market called Wolf. तो अभी हम अंदर जाते हैं और देखते हैं कि क्या क्या है अंदर. जो गूगल पे मैंने देखा है कि अंदर अलग अलग स्टॉल्स हैं सर्विंग डिफरेंट कुजीन्स एंड बार्स. So yeah, we're going in and seeing कि कैसा है सब. So for dinner we come to this food hall in Brussels city center. It's called the Wolf, and यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे independent restaurants and pop-ups हैं basically, and they're serving different cuisines. So अभी हमने ऑर्डर करा है एक वियतनामीज़ फर, एंड देन हम और देख रहे हैं अभी क्या ऑर्डर कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो बट इट्स अ रियली फन प्लेस, काफ़ी अच्छी वाइब है यहाँ पे, एंड काफ़ी भीड़ भी है. एंड सो या we'll try out the food and let you know how it is, but you can definitely check out this place for your lunch or dinner options.
Excited!
So here is our tofu pho. This comes with a broth and some chili sauce that you can take on the side. तो अगेन ये भी हमने वियतनाम में बहुत खाया था फो, एंड इट्स बेसिकली अ सूपी नूडल, बट हमने अभी ड्राई वर्जन लिया है, एंड ये बहुत अच्छा लगा था वियतनाम में भी हमें. सो वी आर ट्राइंग दिस, एंड इसकी क्वांटिटी काफ़ी ज़्यादा है. सो विल हैव दिस फर्स्ट एंड देन डिसाइड व्हाट एल्स डू वी वांट टू हैव. तो खाना कैसा था गप्पा?
बहुत अच्छा था. इतने सारे दिनों में I've had the best meal ever.
तो काफ़ी सही है मार्केट, एंड दे हैव अ लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस.
हाँ, मतलब जनरली जितनी भी फूड मार्केट्स होती है इतने ऑप्शंस नहीं होते, बट इनके बहुत हैं. आई थिंक बिकॉज एक ही है यहाँ पूरे एरिया में.
हाँ, हमें यही मिली, बट वेरी गुड फूड ऑप्शंस. सो डू check out Wolf if you are in Brussels city center. Really good food and lot of
Too
options.
many options. Yeah.
तो अब हम फाइनली खाना खाने के बाद ट्राई करने जा रहे हैं बेल्जियन चॉकलेट.
होपफुली देखो कुछ खुला होता है तो, क्योंकि हमने वो बात के लिए रखा था कुछ एक बारी में सारा मीठा हम खा नहीं सकते हैं, हम है ही नहीं वैसे.
सो we'll end our day with some Belgian chocolate अगर कुछ खुला हुआ तो, वरना that was it. I hope you enjoyed the Belgian food tour.
I think there's too many things to do here and बहुत सारे food options, so if you only have 24 hours I'm sure you will have a lot of things to do and a lot of things to eat and try here. Also the people are really sweet here somehow. Everybody is greeting us और सबसे पूछना कुछ भी, मतलब directions वगैरह, everything is just they're just very warm, I feel. So yeah, now we are heading towards the Belgian chocolate store and we're going to try one today and call it a day then.
So finally हमें चॉकलेट्स मिल गई हैं, हम लेके सीधा अपने होटल वापस आ गए.
I refuse to go back from here without tasting the Belgian chocolate.
So ये हमने ली है नोए हाउस से, एंड दिस इज़ आई थिंक सिंस 1857. सो ये काफ़ी फेमस चॉकलेट शॉप है यहाँ पे.
Very recommended also.
या एंड थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव साइड पे हैं चॉकलेट, तो हमें सिर्फ 4 छोटे पीस पड़े 7.5 यूरोस के. बट द गुड थिंग इज़ इफ़ यू गिव देम योर ईमेल you will get 2 chocolates in this small box, and also two more chocolates. So
Lots of goodies that you'll get. No minimum order,
you
by the
pay
way.
for 4 chocolates and you get 8 chocolates, so that actually makes it cheap. So yeah, अब करते हैं ट्राई. हमने अलग अलग फ्लेवर्स लिए हैं, कॉफ़ी, हेज़लनट, and they have a lot of options that you can try. So let's try. This one is my favorite. This is tiramisu praline जो भी होता है. So it's a chocolate with tiramisu flavor.
Can you taste the coffee?
So this praline is actually sort of a cookie, I think, जिसके अंदर गनाश भरा हुआ है. But it's really good.
Too dark for me.
हाँ, थोड़ी कॉफ़ी फ्लेवर है वो tiramisu है ना. But yeah, nothing extraordinary, but I think ingredients थोड़े superior होंगे इसके, तभी it's worth that price. But yeah, overall really good.
Next is
This is hazelnut.
no, this is caramel piece in a chocolate something.
This is a chocolate. The other one was a praline जो भी होता है. So this one is really good. I think this is salted caramel बीच में.
हाँ, वो पीस था ना कैरमल का उसमें.
It has liquid inside. Yeah, pretty good.
Stuff.
So this one is actually really good. So the chocolate is really good. The
हमें
flavor.
वैसे भी ना जैसे सी सॉल्ट कैरमल टाइप पसंद है ज़्यादा तो
हम वैसे भी लिंट की खाते हैं मोस्टली चॉकलेट, सो उसके कंपैरिजन में दिस इज रियली गुड एंड मोर फ्रेश एंड रिच इन फ्लेवर आई थिंक. सो या, चॉकलेट इज अ हिट. यू कैन डेफिनेटली
बाय
ट्राई.
द वे मैं इसके इस पे पीछे पड़ रही हूँ. They are the inventors of Belgian praline basically, so I guess that's why they are famous.
Yeah, so they are, I think they are the oldest, but काफ़ी सारी shops हैं. You can try from different ones.
They had chocolate truffles as well if you like those.
Yeah.
I like them.
So yeah, Belgian fries, Belgian chocolate, Belgian waffles were all a hit. Really good food, really amazing city.
People were great, very warm, and lots to do.
Lots to do. हम एक ही दिन थे यहाँ पे, but we wish एक दिन और होता.
Yeah.
So yeah, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. So please subscribe to the channel. There is more content coming up, and
Please like the video.
please like the video and
Comment
Comment
below
and
if you have any
share.
feedback at all. If you like the video, didn't like the video, please share your feedback. It matters. And
thank you
yeah.
so much for watching. We will see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.